Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn about shapes. So, what are shapes? They are rectangles, spheres, or ellipses, triangles, and so on and so forth. So we have very basic shapes, we have custom shapes, and we have complex shapes. We're going to look at all of these, but for this video, we're going to focus on basic shapes. So, first of all, go ahead and open a new project if you don't have a new project open. So I have my new project, and I'm just going to go ahead and come here. Yours might not be having this triangle, so yours might be like this, right? So first of all, I'm going to go to this place. You see it's the rectangle tool. So the shortcut is U, and I just need you to click and hold. If you click and hold, you're going to see different shapes we can create. We have the rectangle tool, which enables us to create the rectangle shape. We have the ellipse tool, which enables us to create the ellipse shape, the triangle tool, the polygon tool. Okay, so we're going to start with the rectangle. So just come and select the rectangle, then come to your workspace and then click and drag. Just click and drag. So as you click and drag, you see that you're able to create a rectangle. So you can have it like this, you can have it like this, you can have it whatever way you want. But if you want to create a square that's equal sides, all you need to do is hold down shift while dragging. So when I hold down shift, now you see it now locks my sides, and then they are not scaled evenly together. So you see that we are no longer creating rectangles different sides. You're creating square and holding down shift on your PC. Okay, so you can now release your mouse when you are satisfied, when you are okay. Okay, now when you create your shape, and you want to move your shape or you want to move your shape, you have to go back to this move tool. So always go back to the move tool. So we can select our shape, then we can move our shape. We are able to move our shape because we selected the move tool. We get right now. I just want to come here and click on show transform controls. If I click on show transform controls, I now see the transform controls. And these transform controls enable me to just scale my shape. Okay. Now when I want to scale it, I don't need to go down shift to scale it evenly. So I can just click on this side and then scale it up or down. Okay. And if I go down shift, I will now be able to scale it unevenly. Yeah, I will be able to scale it in an uneven manner. So that's it about creating the rectangle. When we create our rectangle, let's assume we're still in our rectangle shape. Okay, and now we want to change the color. Here now we have what we call the fill. Here we have what we call the stroke. Now the fill is the color inside our shape. So if you click here, you will change the fill. If you click here, you will change the stroke, and the stroke is the color outside. So let's just come to the stroke and select the first color here, or whatever color yours have. So you just want to select it here. But if you do not have any recent colors, you can just come here to RGB and then click on red, okay? So that we have it as our stroke color. We can now come here for the stroke size and then increase. Now as you can see, we are then increasing the stroke size of our guy here, okay? Let me just teach you how to modify the colors, because there are lots of ways to do that. Now you are able to choose whether you want to have no fill color. So you can see when I click this, I have no fill color. When I click this, I have a fill color. Okay, so if you just go around, you should see now you see no color, and then this one has solid color. Now solid color, you need to choose a solid color, right? Now it means you need to choose this color, you need to choose this color, because these are solid colors. They are solid because they contain just one color. Okay, and then if you click here, you need to choose gradients. And gradients are not solid colors. Gradients have a blend of two or more colors. So for this one, we have a blend of black and white. So you can change your color. So you can just click here and change the color. Let's say we want to have blue and say blue. Okay, perfect. So you can see that we've changed the gradient. Okay? And for here, you can have a pattern as a color, or as a field rather. So we have a pattern. You can edit the pattern. You can use the scale, make it bigger or make it smaller. So you can select the pattern. This should be a forest. Okay? This also is a forest. And these are leaves. Okay, so you can create patterns with these. Okay, perfect. And we have other categories of patterns. We have the grasses, we have the water, and you can actually add patterns. You can come here and you can import patterns. Okay, you can import patterns. So these are just the default patterns. And you can of course change the angle of the pattern. You can see how it is changing here. Maybe if you increase the size a bit, you see how the angles change. Okay, so that's it for patterns. So for gradients, like I showed you before, you can change the color here, you can change the color here, okay, and then we also have the angle. Okay, so let's adjust the angle and you can see how the angle is changed. Okay, that's angle for the gradient. And we have the type of gradient. We have different types of gradient. We have the linear gradient, we have the radial gradients, we have the angle gradient, we have the reflected gradient, diamond gradients. So this is just an introduction for you to know. We're going to work with a lot of these things as the course progresses. So we have method, perpetual, all these things. That's so important. Okay, you can just explore them for yourself. And you have this thing here where you can kind of switch between the gradients, okay, their position. So you look here, this guy is going to come here, this guy is going to come here. But of course, it doesn't show here. Okay, but it just shows on your art or on your sheet. So that's it for this. And apart from this, you can actually choose custom colors. So if you just come here and click, you can now choose a custom color for your shape. So let's look at it instead. We now have custom color filling our shape, right? So that's just a brief introduction to this. We have this place where we can import swatches. Now these are called swatches. Okay, these are called swatches. We can import swatches. We can check other presets or other swatches. Which these are pastel colors. These are lights, and then these are darks, darker, and so on and so on. So Photoshop has a way of arranging these things, and these ones are called pale colors. Okay, in Illustrator there are way more swatches, really amazing. So that's it for the fill color. Now the stroke color has basically the same thing the fill color has. So it's basically the same thing. The only difference is you can adjust the fill size here of your stroke, or rather the stroke size. Call it the stroke width, and also the stroke options. You can have solid stroke, you have dashed lines. Okay, you use this to see it more. You have dashed lines, you have smaller dashes. You have these other changes. Okay, so I don't want to go too far into this so that you don't get overwhelmed. Okay, but you can go ahead and see the differences, and you even have more options. Okay, more options to choose more presets. Okay, so now the most important thing for you to know is fill color and stroke color, and that's it for now. Come here and create an ellipse. So we have an ellipse, hold on shift, drag, we have an ellipse, and then we have triangle. Perfect. Okay, sorry, I created this in the same layer, so let me just undo. So the next thing is triangles, right? So click and hold down one shift. So in the triangles, we change this, increase the stroke size. Okay, then we have a polygon. So you can polygon, you can choose the sides, number of sides. So now let's say we want to create a polygon. Let's just delete this guy first. Let's select the polygon tool. So let's say we want a polygon with 6 sides. We should type in 6 here, and then create a polygon. Okay, so we want to create a polygon with 12 sides. Type in 12, then create our polygon. You can see how it works, right? Perfect. So this we can go select and then go back to our tool and maybe modify our colors. Edit our colors. Give this a different color. Let me give this blue. So as you can see under your layers panel, we see that each one has its own layer. Okay? So you can manipulate each one as a single unit. Perfect. We have lines also, and these are lines. We can create lines with lines with lines. So lines only have strokes, we don't have fills. You can see the lines only have strokes. The fill color is insignificant. You can see there is no fill that is changing. Okay, so basically these are what you should look at. And the next video we're going to go a step further and see you in the next video. Bye.